Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Pepe update today. And Pepe is not quite good. I don't think Pepe is doing something amazing. We are kind of not interested, according to this coin to me, it's not really making that push to the upside. It's one thing I'm going to say is I want to compare two things. Number one is, you see this little bit of a pattern here is a smaller version of this one right over there, right? And this one is the biggest one out of these three, right? So that's number one. You have this one right here, which looks same like here, and which also looks same like here. Now, sometimes history doesn't really repeat itself. You may say that, yeah, it's pumping up, and the obvious move from here is another pump, isn't it? I mean, all of these things combined together, they're almost like a beautiful art. You see, that's why I like chart reading. There's a lot of things you can actually look at for chart reading. But the thing is that if that was that, you have this little bit of a break and a pump, and then you had this little bit of another resistance and a break and a pump. So what about this one? Where's the resistance coming in? So if I have to see how much of a time you're going to take, this is what I'm looking at, right? This is what I'm looking at. So you have time until 5th of February, which is a very long time from now, and which leads to the next month, the maximum time you're going to be consolidating. Now let's say within this next 25 days, you don't start to break below and move down like this. If you are really going to pump for Pepe, then you're looking for something like this and make a very, very big push, just the same way you did it here, the same way you did it right there. Okay, but to me, I don't know, I kind of have a bad feeling due to Bitcoin. It's just Bitcoin that is giving me some very bad vibes. I i may not be bearish on Pepe, to be honest with you, because if I show you the RSI is way too down right now as well, right? You have some room to actually go up. But if Bitcoin starts to break down, because Bitcoin is just very, very nasty on the RSI at the moment, then you're looking for a move down for Pepe. Also, plus consider the fact that this whole pattern, I know I've shown you this history here, but the bigger picture is that this is your right angle ascending broadening wedge. Okay, this whole pattern, this one right here, is bearish actually, right? The whole picture, whatever is happening here, is actually a price action that tells you that, hey, you know what, I'm a bearish pattern. That's all. Simplify things. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.